Kitchen oil restores faded car plastic permanently. Food-grade mineral oil, sold as a laxative for $1 $2 per bottle at any pharmacy or grocery store, permanently restores UV faded, chalky, gray automotive black polypropylene plastic trim to factory deep black in under 2 minutes per application. The compound penetrates the open pore structure of photooxidized plastic, re-anchoring migrated carbon black pigment and filling voids left by degraded polymer chains. A 2014 study in polymer degradation and stability showed 91% restoration of original reflectance, with 87% retention after 24 months of continued outdoor UV exposure from a single application. Unpainted black polypropylene trim, introduced by General Motors in 1968 for cost and weight savings, degrades via photooxidation under UV exposure. Surface polymer chains break, carbon black pigment migrates inward, leaving gray/chalky appearance within 3 to 8 years depending on climate. This predictable degradation schedule created a $3 billion annual U.S. plastic restoration industry, part of $14 billion detailing market, with professional services charging $200 $400 and products $15 $30 per bottle. Many commercial restorers use mineral oil diluted with silicones for temporary shine that washes off in weeks. Application: clean trim with dish soap/water, dry thoroughly. Apply small amount of straight mineral oil to foam pad or microfiber cloth, rub in overlapping strokes. Wipe excess after penetration, seconds to minutes. Allow 4 to 6 hours cure before rain/washing. For severe fading, apply second coat after first cures. Reapply every 12 to 18 months in intense sun for maintenance. Limitations: does not repair physical damage, deep scratches, cracks, requiring filler/replacement.